Hey guys, this is Anukriti Lamania and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about a very subtle and natural makeup look. I created this makeup look for teen girls, but it's a very natural makeup look, so office and college going girls can also wear it. And this makeup look will also look super amazing on the girls who wear specs. So I've already prepped and primed my face, and for my base I'm going to take these two BB creams, Pond's BB Plus cream and Garnier BB cream. I'm mixing both BB creams because Pond's BB Plus cream will give you a very good coverage and Garnier BB cream will provide a good moisture to my skin, also a little glow. So next I'm just applying it all over my face with the help of my foundation brush. I'm gonna apply some more Pond's BB cream under my eye because I have really bad eye bags right now because I was sick from few days, and with the help of same brush I'm just going to blend it. Next I'm just going to quickly set my makeup with the help of my Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. I'm not setting the whole area because my skin is really dry. I'm just setting few area where I can feel that the foundation or the base can crease. Next I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'm using Wet n Wild brow pencil. It's a very good brow pencil because it comes with a spoolie and it's in the shade brown. So I'm not going to draw my eyebrows because I want them to look more natural. So I'm going with very light strokes. Next, with the help of my Lakme Iconic Kajal, I'm going to create a very smudged eyeliner look. So first I'm just applying on the upper lash line. Next, with the help of my flat brush, I'm just going to smudge that liner, also drawing it a little further so that it will look more natural. Next I'm going to use my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and this is my favorite eyeshadow palette for everyday natural makeup. So I'm just going to take this transition color and I'm just going to apply it on my lid and crease. So with the help of my fluffy brush, I'm just blending it all over my lid, and I'm just doing it very gently because you guys want to make it very subtle, not like too glamorous kind of look. I'm using the same color on my outer lower lash line too. For my lashes, I'm using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And yeah guys, I've curled my lashes. If you don't want to curl your lashes, let it be, it's optional. And I'm just gently applying it on my upper and lower lashes. For my highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter, and it's one of my favorite highlighter. The best thing about this highlighter is that it's very subtle and very blinding highlighter. It does not show texture on your skin. Also, it looks like that your skin is glowing naturally. So I'm just going to apply it on the highest point of my face, that is my cheekbones, my brow bones, my cupid bow, my chin and the bridge of my nose. I'm also using the same highlighter to the inner corner of my eyes. For my blush, I'm going to use my Essence blush. It's a very cheap and very affordable blush. Also, this blush is very pigmented, so use very little amount or else you will look like me right now. So here I've applied too much blush, so I'm just taking out the extra with the help of the tissue paper. For my lipstick, I'm just going for a nude lipstick, and it's Lakme 925 lipstick in the shade Maple Map, and it's a very beautiful nude matte lipstick. Again, I'm taking off the extra lipstick with the help of the tissue paper. Next I'm applying this red lipstick to my inner lips because I'm very much inspired by the Korean gradient lips, so I want that effect. So this is the final natural makeup look for teen girls. Also, I think this makeup will look pretty amazing on college and office going girls too. So this natural makeup is also inspired by Korean makeup because I feel like their makeup is very natural, very subtle, and it kind of give your face a very natural, beautiful glow. And I feel like that this makeup will look pretty amazing with specs too. So if you wear specs, then please try this makeup look. For product details, please check out my description box, and I'm going to announce the giveaway winner in my next video. So I hope you guys like this natural teen makeup tutorial, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also tell me guys what do you think about this look, and yeah guys, don't forget to share my video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.